The hope for the Center for Embodied Equity and Neurodiversity is to really create a radically welcoming ecosystem.
We're working to build the capacity of child-serving professionals and educators across the lifespan to create what we refer to as neuro-inclusive environments for students with hidden disabilities.
I'm excited because this center actually centers those communities who have traditionally not had access, who have had to fight to get additional supports for their kids, who have struggled to get teachers, community members to see the light in their children. So for me, that is what's really exciting, is that we are bringing high-level support services to everyone, whether they can afford it or not.
I truly am excited about the impact. The more students who can see their genius, the more students who can get out of the principal's office or off of suspension and into the classroom where they're thriving, where they're learning, where they're engaging with their peers, the better our society will be.